Yoga, by definition, is the union of all dualities. Based on the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, the Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Samsthana, or S-Vyasa, as it is popularly known, works on making yoga a socially relevant science.
We constructed this entire university into 4 main divisions. Division of yoga spirituality, division of life sciences, physical sciences, management studies and humanities.
S-Vyasa was named by UGC as a deemed to be university in 2002. It's the world's first ISO 2001-2008 certified yoga university.
I came to India last year. I found out about the YIC course from a friend that I met on the way. And I found this great option of having a distance education program. I'm really enjoying the chantings and our schedule of the day.
Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Science, BNYS, a medical degree graduation program offered to students who aspire to be a doctor in the field of naturopathy. Naturopathy is a medical science that focuses on the body's own healing abilities. The doctors work on the patient's unique set of symptoms, reactions, and status. A highly personalized treatment methodology is applied in every case. Naturopathy is getting increasingly popular in all countries across the globe among people who wish to escape the various side effects and symptoms caused by the allopathic system of medicine.
Understanding the scope for the career is important when you're choosing a course. BNYS has a widespread scope.
The career prospects of a BNYS graduate includes naturopathy specialist in government hospitals, Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, clinical practice in leading hospitals, India and abroad, paraclinical specialist, lectureship in medical universities and colleges worldwide. As a research scholar in various projects sponsored through government and non-government agencies and universities. BNYS is an eligibility for various competitive exams like UPSC, KPSC, etc.
This place gives me exposure to the research field. In other university, I don't think so it will be there for the first year people. And the heritage with the science, Indian culture with the science, yoga with the science. This is the only place I think in the India and the Asia.
S-Vyasa follows the Gurukula system of learning. The campus, named Prashanti Kutiram, sprawling over 100 acres, is situated away from the hustle and bustle of the city, Bangalore. It includes fully equipped and functioning hospital that could accommodate 250 patients at a time. The state-of-the-art Advanced Center for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, sponsored by Indian Council of Medical Research, is the first of its kind in the world. Vyasa Business School is a constituent college of S-Vyasa with A+ rating accreditation by NAAC and is one of the premier B schools in India.
I came from Egypt to India to learn more about the yoga. Another thing I was happy about was the Araghadama training experience. To see all the participants here get healed, to see the transformation power of yoga, that was really inspiring.
This theoretical subject, I found this very interesting.
S-Vyasa follows a sattvic diet, a nutritious, simple, wholesome food that helps to lead a healthy and happy life. The other amenities in the campus includes an auditorium, research facilities, bus service to pick up and drop day scholars from the city. Every program offered in S-Vyasa is designed with the sole purpose of developing holistic individuals. S-Vyasa is a registered charitable institution affiliated to 4 universities, including Bangalore University.
It is a special university in the world dedicated to yoga and the natural systems of healthcare.
It has been categorized as a Category 1 university by the UGC since it has got an A+ accreditation from the NAC.